You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, because there are different pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations and clarify a lot of things like this, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. The stress on the first and the second syllable, I'll explain. So British English pronunciation is as manure, manure. Stress on the second syllable, manure. Now, the American pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the US, United States, is usually as manure, manure. It's a or sound, while the British say newer, okay? So, manure, British English, or manure, American English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.